Okay, Atlas 4.0. Let's go. Lovingly packaged as always. Oh yeah. Interesting. Okay. Alrighty. Softly, softly. Okay. A lot of this is me being useless, obviously. Alrighty. Ruroc. Welcome to Ruroc for the 4th time. Beautiful. Ta-da! Spare visor. This will be the dark one. Compatible with both. Lovely. Got my pin lock in there. Put that over there. And the main event. Oh. There she is. Alrighty. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful feel as always. Nice solid feel to the visor again with a little wind lock. Yes. Let's see what else is in this box. What we got? We got a wicked Ruroc keyring there. And we've got, look like some sort of squishy earplugs of some kind. And then, is there anything else in the bottom there? Oh, you never know with these guys. Just some Engine Hawk advertising padding. Lovely. Gonna pause and then gonna have a look, try it on. Alrighty, fitment. I'm a 59/60 centimeter spud. So first of all, I'll show you my 2.0. So this is a large. It's shown somewhere there. A large 2.0. Found this quite big. The medium, tight on my nose. So show you what this looks like. Straight on, but in terms of wiggle, fair bit of wiggle, fair bit of movement. So we'll see how that compares to the 4.0. Now trying them on a road shows, I know that the 4.0 does fit a bit tighter, and obviously this is given since I've had it. Here she is. We'll try this one now. So tighter to get on. We're in. And I would say that's much, much tighter. But perfect. So my nose is touching here, but it's not uncomfortable. It's only if I look down like this, it's not touching at all. Very comfy. Need to adjust the strap, but The pidlock. Loads of room, even with my ridiculous beard and hair. Then tighter to get off. So I'm going to give that a ride later on, but so far that seems like a vast improvement to me. Stay tuned.